Hey guys, welcome back to my bench. I just got a really quick video for you today because I looked this up and couldn't find it. It took me a while to find it, and I thought, yeah, well, those of you who know me, give you a little heads up. On the bench here, I've got a Yaesu FT-840, or 890. I own an 840 at the moment. Well, selling it, but anyway. It came in with dead display. No display at all. The only thing was that the meter lit up, and that was all. And so I started checking around on it, and all the voltages are there. Everything was good. Went through a lot of gyrations, and I'll tell you what I found. Down here in the bottom, on the front plate, if I can bring this down here for us to take a look at. If you look right inside here, there's a battery. That's your memory backup battery. And if you look right here, that is your memory backup switch on and off. If you turn this off, it will not remember where you were last time or your frequencies that you plugged in or anything like that. Well, if this battery goes dead and this switch is on, what happens is the memory gets all jumbled up. The radio records, or when you turn it on, it tries to bring in all the jumbled up memory and crap and just throws up its arms in frustration and says, I quit. And all the lights go off. So the best way to take care of it, turn this off and try it. If you turn this switch off and try it and it comes back on, then you know your battery's dead. Just change it. Basically, it's just a 2032. It pops right out of there. Just like any other 2032 in a box. You don't even have to take this case, this front cover off. Just pull it out, stick in a new one, turn this back on, turn her on, and see what happens. So, anyhow, that just thought I'd show you guys that because it took me several minutes to figure that out because I found it out by reading the webs, but I haven't seen a video on it. I didn't see one looking for it either. So, just thought I'd tell you guys. Right there it is. There's your memory battery and the memory switch on/off. Turn it off. Check it. See if your display comes back on. If it does, change your battery. Change your battery anyway. Every 10 years, whether it needs it or not. All right. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And hit the like button if you like it. Till next time.